In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make thumbnails using vidIQ in 2 minutes or less. We'll be able to make a bunch of thumbnails. So one of the things that holds a lot of coaches back that are solo entrepreneurs is they don't want to hire a team, they don't want to deal with graphic designers, but they suck at making thumbnails. And so vidIQ is the tool that I use to make them really quick. You want to make great thumbnails with very few units of time, and then you want to be done with it. And so vidIQ is a great tool for that. It uses AI. There's a link below this video if you want to check it out. And it has a bunch of tools. I'm just going to show you guys the thumbnail creator today because that's what we're here for. So you'll see more tools. You just click on thumbnails and it'll pull up a bunch of thumbnails that I've made in the past. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to upload your likeness. So it just says likeness down here. You click create your likeness and then you upload 20 clear photos of yourself. And so what I did for this was I took 20 screenshots of myself from Facebook. So all they are is a bunch of screenshots from Facebook, different angles. Let me see if I can pull it up here. Icons. There we go. You can kind of see that. Bunch of different screenshots of me. That's all it is. It took me 2 minutes, not even. But once you have your likeness, then you can create thumbnails with your image, and let's show you how to do that. So let's say I'm going to make a thumbnail for this video on how to make thumbnails. So describe your idea, a video on how to make thumbnails for YouTube. And I click my likeness, I just click search. And then this is the first way to do it. It's pretty quick and easy. I'll show you kind of how to edit it in a second, but you wait patiently, it creates them, and then we'll see what it has. Yeah, so that one's decent. I would never use that because I don't like using smiling images in my thumbnails. So let's approach this a different way. So click on likeness and then you can click this reference button and this will let you enter a keyword and then you can see all the thumbnails that are performing really well for that keyword. So let's do thumbnail. So you can see here's one. Let's see how I actually make viral thumbnails. I've used this one before. You can see. Let's try this time, and maybe we'll use one. Well, we'll see. All right, so I just clicked on that image, and then I clicked create, and then it'll use that as a template, and it'll use my likeness, maybe. So we'll see what it looks like. I don't love that, but again, compared to what a lot of coaches are doing normally, this is a lot better, more clickable than what other people would do. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna make a thumbnail for this video. I'm gonna go to references, and then I really like Alex Hormozi. Has really good thumbnails, and he has serious thumbnails, which is good authority. That's kind of what I like. And so I'll find one that is what's a good one here. They're all good. I'll choose this one because that one's pretty easy. And so I'll grab his thumbnail. I'll tweak some of the copy. It will use my likeness, and then I'll use that thumbnail. So we'll show you how to edit it next here. All right. So you can see I have lots of hands on me. So we'll say remove the hands. So this is just an AI that will edit it for me. So remove the hands. What you want to do is get a template or a format that works and you just replicate that, tweak the text, the colors, etc. So remove the text and I'll add some text right now. So we'll say say 5-minute thumbnails because that's kind of what, and then we will edit the style, that one. I think it should have a little more color. So I don't love yellow, so I'll just keep something simple. 5-minute thumbnails. And I don't love this as a thumbnail, but just I wanted to show you guys editing it. And so I will download this and I'll use it in this video when I upload it. And so that is creating thumbnails in a nutshell using vidIQ. There's a link below this video. If you are a solo entrepreneur or a small team coach trying to build a business online, we have the Skool community, which is the operator room. It is free. If you're a good fit, you can click apply. And we teach solo entrepreneurs to grow 6-7 figure businesses using Instagram and YouTube and partnerships. And if you're a good fit, we'd love to have you in there. If you're looking to use vidIQ, there's a link below this video. Go make some good thumbnails.